I'm actually going to rotate the model of the multi-tool so that it fits in the case that way I want it. So I'm going to start by building up a simple block, and I'm going to do it without taking any measurements. I'm taking the scan and I'm just going to build the case around it. Move the knife up a little bit because I don't want it to bottom out. Turn it into a hole and hollow out the case. Now I'm going to make a slot in the front so that I can remove the multi-tool just with one finger. So I do that similar, just using blocks, turn the block into a hole. I'm going to add some text just to tweak the design a little, and put something on the side. I want to see the knife through the side, so I'm going to actually make these into holes and put that on both sides. Now for the belt clip, I had two options. I'm going to just do a simple loop just by building blocks and knocking out a hole in for the belt loop to go through. I could also easily modify it for a clip-on belt clip, and here I'm just adding some holes just to tweak the design. And here's the finished model, ready to print.